First, log into your Tesco app. This applies to the Tesco Club Card app, which integrates shopping, banking, and loyalty features. Next, navigate to your account settings, usually found under My Account or Profile. Then, select the option to update your phone number. Enter your new number in the provided field. Tap Confirm to proceed to the verification steps. Note that mandatory two-factor authentication is now standard for security. This process ensures your account security, aligning with UK GDPR regulations. Once you've initiated the change, Tesco will send a one-time password to your old mobile number. Enter this OTP in the app to confirm the request. Then, to verify the new number, Tesco might use a callback verification or ask you to enter a code displayed within the app. This multi-layered approach significantly reduces fraud. Multi-factor authentication ensures your account stays secure. After successful verification, your new number will sync across the Tesco ecosystem, including Club Card Rewards and Tesco Bank if you have it linked. This seamless update helps to prevent unauthorized access. In rare cases, if you're having trouble, customer service intervention may be required, though Tesco's data indicates 92% of changes complete successfully within minutes.